we are ready to invite you to come ashore at Malkiel Island for your evening of camping. Your hats, your gloves, your warm jackets, and we will go camping. So see you 9:15 at the Zodiac boarding area for your night of camping.
Well, y'all heard the man. Chop chop. We're going camping. Oh my god, it's official. We're going camping. So I am suited up and ready to go. I have on like 150 layers. 2 pairs of socks, 4 pairs of pants, 3 shirts, 1 hoodie, a fleece, a big jacket, 2 hats, 2 pairs of gloves, a buff, and a neck buff / hoodie. I got my sleeping bag, and we about to get on the Zodiacs. Here we go.
We've been sailing around. There wasn't too many spots around, so this is a spot that we could find. It's nice and cozy. You will not find a space where you can be by yourself, unfortunately, but we are camping outside. And when you're in your pit, you don't see anybody else anymore.
Okay, we made it. Now you have to dig our own hole. That's all I got so far. But progress. Progress. Progress.
Can you dig it a little bit higher because you're on the path? I thought you just told me to go right here. Oh, really? Well, the path is here. Whatever, I'll go around. That's fine. But you still have to dig a little bit further because it needs to be longer, and otherwise you're in there. Sylvia, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay. I keep running into people.
Okay.
How's it looking?
Oh well.
Yeah, that's what I was talking
Gonna help you a little bit.
Okay.
So we'll put this a little bit up here.
Okay.
Even it out, and then you're perfect. You're welcome. I'll go dig my own, and I will check with you later.
Okay.
If you need help, then I will help you.
Thank you.
This is no easy job.
Man.
A lot of work.
Are you almost done?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's you?
Yeah.
All right, nice.
You need a hand?
You got a
on it?
nice little house.
Yeah. I
Huh?
hope I don't slide down the hill. That's not good.
All right. Look at my bed. And I added a cute little step. Period. I added a cute little step. Because I'm just that girl. And we get some moon tonight. My bag's made. The more outside stuff I do, I realize that I'm not an outside girly. Like, one of the guys had to dig my hole, and then another girl and another guy had to set up my sleeping bag because I just couldn't do it. Like, my nails was preventing me. My arms was hurting, but it's all set up now, and I'm so happy. I got my binoculars. I'm about to look at the moon lay down. Oh, I'm so excited. What's going on?
Watch out for this one, guys. Watch out for the one.
Go with your family, bro.
You're coming the wrong way. Go back.
Hey, little pinkaweenie. Oh,
Best camp ever we had.
Big chillin'. Meanwhile, I'm just trying to sleep. They're like, what the hell? I cannot believe I just slept outside in Antarctica. The sky looks like sherbet. This is so beautiful. Oh my God. This is so amazing. Now, it is 3:45 a.m. And now we have to refill the plots that we slept in with snow. I don't know if I should call them plots, but refill the bed frames. We have to refill the bed frames with snow. All right. Some people still refilling their holes with snow. That was mine. And now we're just waiting for the Zodiacs to come get us so we can head back to the boat. I'm frozen my face. The Zodiacs are here. I think there's about 50 of us, and there's 4 Zodiacs right now. Each Zodiac holds 10 people, so I'm probably gonna go on the last group because I'm not as cold as some people are. Some people are really freezing, but I'm pretty okay, so I'm gonna do my good deed of the day and let them go first. Zodiac is finally here. Grabbing the last one. I rebuke that caution.
You were born on
Finally see the ship. We just returned our equipment up 5 flights of steps. I'm tired. I'm so tired. And we are off to the next place. For me, I'm going inside. So, can y'all tell I'm tired? Like, look my eyes. I'm exhausted. As soon as I got back in, I took a shower, and it was like 6:30, and I was like, I might as well stay up for breakfast because breakfast is at 7. So I'm here right now. Got some fruit, cereal, eggs, bacon, and toast. I'm gonna eat and go to sleep. There's a Zodiac cruise later on, but I'm not going because I'm tired and I barely slept. But Camping was so nice. It was breathtaking, y'all. Like, the videos and the pictures do it no justice, honestly. It was so quiet. The air was so clear. It was so fresh. There weren't any pollutants in the air. It was perfect. The temperature was 23 degrees, but inside that sleeping bag, it was so insulated that it was so warm. So I slept with like the top part open, like my face was exposed and my body was underneath the sleeping bag, but it was amazing. And then the penguins slept with us the whole night. Isn't that crazy? I feel like my face is so dry. I did not moisturize it enough after the shower. Yeah, definitely dry. But I'm about to eat my breakfast right now. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I will see you in the next one.